Let's jump into the headlines and talk about the boil water precaution for Greenfield area. And before I do start this, I do want to note that if there's been any updates since we've taped the show or this is rebroadcasting, please check the website and our social media accounts for the latest. City of Fitchburg has a social media account. In fact, TV does. We get out the news as fast as we can when it comes into our newsroom, so to speak, but definitely want to get you the information when things like this come up. So that boil water precaution for the Greenfield area. Here's what we know. The city's south water system, Greenfield area south of Irish Lane, experienced a reported temporary loss of water pressure on July 6th at approximately 4:30 p.m. The city has increased the chloration of the levels of the wells within the system and has taken bacterial samples as required by the Department of Natural Resources to ensure that the system is not contaminated. The city will inform the infected residents by notice when these tests show no bacteria and when they no longer need to boil their water. The city anticipates this resolution by July 9th. If you live in the Greenfield area, please do the following. Do not drink the water without boiling first. Either bring all water to a boil, letting it boil for 10 minutes and then letting it cool down before use, or use bottled water. Boiled or bottled water should be used for drinking, making ice, brushing teeth, washing dishes, and preparing food until further notice. Boiling water kills bacteria and other organisms in the water. And of course, please share this information with all others who drink this water, especially those who may not have received this notice directly. We did say in the update earlier today that crews were out last night knocking on doors within this area and left notices there at each of the doorways. So hopefully you got those notices and we'll keep you up to date with any other information through our social media outlets and website. Plus, you can contact Tracy Foss, Senior Utility Engineer, 608-270-4272 with any questions about this notice. All right, turning to other news, we've got the art cart coming in town this weekend. It's coming on Saturday, July 9th. It's a free program sponsored by the Madison Museum of Contemporary Art. And children should dress appropriately because these projects can get wet and messy. I like that. Parents must also stay on site for this. You can drop in, but pre-registration is advised. Fitchburg Festival of Speed is happening this weekend. I want to remind you of that. It happens on Saturday. It's all day long. Live music, beer, fireworks, racing, and food. I mean, what could get better than that? Well, you coming out to it would be awesome to see out there. Stop on by, check out all the great races. That criterium is the fastest that bikes can get in a race, and it's just amazing to watch. And there's lots of ways to participate as well. Just check out the website for more information. And I found this story yesterday, and I think this is awesome. Drop off your United States flags to be restored. Yeah, this is really neat. This is down in Oregon, but you can drop off your flags for flag restoration or restoration at the Oregon Brooklyn VFW post is the one doing this. Drop-off box is located outside of the Village Hall in Oregon building by the parking lot next to the Triangle Park. So drop it off there and have it restored. It's so cool.